Hello everyone, I am Dr. Harita, Senior Resident and Fellow in Infection Control in JIPMER. As all of us know, during this COVID time, there is severe shortage of the masks, especially the N95 mask. CDC and WHO has given various strategies for the limited reuse and sterilization methods of these N95 masks. One among these strategy given by the CDC is the 5-day reuse strategy of the N95 mask. So now we have adopted this method of reuse strategy in JIPMER, and mainly it is indicated in the non-COVID areas. So now I will be explaining you this protocol of how to reuse the N95 mask for 5 days. So first, 5 masks will be given to the healthcare workers for a period of 25 days. That is, 5 N95 masks should be used by one healthcare worker for a period of 25 days. So first what we will be doing is, I will be explaining the overview of how this 5-day reuse strategy is done. Then step by step I will be explaining you how the N95 mask has to be worn, the fit checking, how the newspaper bags has to be prepared. So first the N95 mask is taken, and you need to write your name and number of usage with a permanent marker on the outer side of the N95 mask, like this. Okay, so this is the N95 mask provided by JIPMER. So we need to write your name, the number of usage over the N95 mask with a permanent marker. So as all of us know, this N95 mask has to be used maximum for a period of 8 hours only. After 8 hours, this N95 mask should not be used. So after your usage, that is after 8 hours of usage, this N95 mask has to be stored. That is, after your shift, you will remove the N95 mask. Now for the reuse, where you need to store this N95 mask. This N95 mask is stored in this type of newspaper bags. So this type of newspaper bags you need to prepare, and you need to store the N95 masks in this type of newspaper bag. So after usage, I will be storing it in this type of newspaper bags, and on this newspaper bags, you need to write your name, the date of the usage, and the number of the usage as 1. After writing this is very important, you need to write this, and after writing this, you need to store this small newspaper bag in a big newspaper bag like this. You need to prepare a big newspaper bag, and you need to store it in a big newspaper bag like this, and you need to write your name on the big newspaper bag, and this whole thing has to be stored in a dedicated, well ventilated area. So this is on the first day. On second day, you will be coming to the hospital. You will be taking the second N95 mask. You will be writing your name, the number of use over the N95 mask, and after usage, you will be storing it in the second newspaper bag like this, and you will be labeling it as your name, the date, and the number of use, same as the previous day, and you will be storing this small newspaper bag in the big newspaper bag. Okay, this is on the second day. On the third day also, you will follow the same process. After using the N95 mask, you need to put it in the small newspaper bag, write your name, the date of usage and number of usage, and store in the big newspaper bag. On the fourth day also, the same procedure is followed, the name, the date, the number of usage, and store it in the big newspaper bag. On the fifth day also, the same procedure is followed. You write your name, the date, the number of use. You put your mask in this after usage and store in the big newspaper bag. So like this, the 5 days is over. So on 6th day, what you need to do, on the 6th day, you take the mask which you have used on the first day. Okay, the mask which you have used on the first day, you will be taking on the 6th day, and you will be reusing this mask on the 6th day. After 6th day of usage, you will be taking the N95 mask again. You will be using a new paper bag, and on that you will be writing your name, and you will be changing the date as 6/6/2020, and the number of usage will be 2. Okay, so the first day mask will be used on the 6th day, and the second day mask, that is the second day the mask which you have used, that will be used on the 7th day or later on. That is, you will be writing your name, the date as 7/6/2020, the number of use as 2 on the newspaper bag. So this is how the 5-day reuse strategy is followed. On the 8th day, you will be wearing the 3rd day mask, so and so on and so forth, it will be going on. So this is the process. And always remember, whenever you remove the N95 mask, as soon as you remove and you store it in the paper bag, immediately the hand hygiene has to be done. So this is the overall method. So this is the overall method of the 5-day reuse strategy. So first I'll be explaining you how the N95 mask has to be put on. So this is the N95 mask which is provided to us in JIPMER. So first of all, you take the N95 mask. There are 2 strings. This is the top string and this is the bottom string. Okay, this is the top string and this is the bottom string. So both the strings you will be holding, and you will be opening the N95 mask and you will be securing it on the against your face, that is the nose and the mouth. So first what you will be doing is the up string you will be taking, and you will be putting on top of your head, that is on the back of your head. Next what you will be doing, you will be taking the down string, you will be taking fully back side, back of your ears you will be taking, and from the back of your ears you will be putting this on the top of your head. Okay, so this is how the second string has to be worn. So this is the method of wearing the N95 mask. After wearing, I'll tighten it near the nose piece, and after wearing the N95 mask, the thing which you need to do is the fit checking has to be done. Fit checking is whenever you exhale the air, I'm exhaling the air. So whenever you exhale the air has to, the N95 mask has to pop up, okay, it has to open, and whenever you are inhaling the air, I'm inhaling, it has to go inside, okay, whenever I'm inhaling it has to go inside, whenever I'm exhaling it has to come outside. You should see that it is tightly fitted and there is no air leak. Whenever you are doing the fit check, that is inhaling and exhaling, if you feel that there is air leakage from any side, you need to change the N95 mask. Okay, so this is the method to wear the N95 mask. So after your shift is over, now you need to remove the N95 mask and you need to store it in the newspaper bag. So how do you remove the N95 mask? As I already explained, you should not touch the front part of the mask while removing. You should remove it by using the strings. So first you need to touch this string. So you need to touch this string and you are pulling it down. Okay. So first is this method. The second one is the second string, whichever is there, I'll be holding this string with one hand. With the other hand, I'll be removing the other string and I'm removing the N95 mask. So this is how I remove the N95 mask. After removing, immediately I will be holding the strings only and I will be putting the N95 mask in the newspaper bag. Okay, with the help of the strings, I'll be putting the N95 mask in the newspaper bag. I've put it and now I have labeled it and I'm putting it again in a big newspaper bag and I'm storing it in a dedicated, well ventilated area. So always remember, as soon as you remove the N95 mask and you put it in the newspaper bag, you need to do the hand hygiene immediately. That is, the hand rub has to be done. And all the 6 steps has to be followed. That is the palm to palm, the back of the palm, interlacing, interlocking, the thumb step, and the tip of the fingers to the palm, clockwise and anti-clockwise direction both. So these are the 6 steps of the hand hygiene. This has to be followed. So this is the first step which we have done. The first step we have completed in the explanation, that is wearing the N95 mask and storing the N95 mask. So the second thing is how to prepare the newspaper bag. It is a very easy procedure to prepare. First you need to take the big newspaper and you cut it into this size. Okay, this size newspaper bag. Then what you will be doing is you will be folding the newspaper into half. Then again this half you will be folding it into 3/4. This I'll be folding it into 3/4 and this I'll be folding it into the 1/4. So like this you need to fold it, and after folding the down part I will be folding it again and I will be stapling it. Okay, so this is how it is secured at the bottom. On top also I will be securing it by using a stapler. Instead of stapler, if you want, you can even use a sellotape or a Fevikwik. So this your paper bag for storing the N95 mask is ready now. So this is the newspaper bag which is there, and on top of this you can stick a label and write your name, the date of the usage and the number of usage. So the most important points which you need to remember from this protocol is, the first thing, never touch the N95 mask on the front side while removing it. Always touch the strings and only remove the N95 mask. The second most important thing which you need to remember is, this N95 mask has to be reused maximum for 5 times only. More than 5 times it should not be used. That is the reason 5 masks are given, maximum for 25 days and not more than that. And the third thing is, whenever you are taking care of the patient and you have a splash on the N95 mask, during this time the N95 mask has to be discarded and it should not be reused. So this is the protocol which was explained now about the 5-day reuse strategy of the N95 mask during this COVID crisis. Thank you.